Yeah. Hi. In today's video, we will be just trying to understand how can we use an EDA Playground, even if you don't have your official account or if you have your official account. As of now, I'm not having any official account, so I will be going forward with my Gmail account. So whenever you open this corresponding link, edaplayground.com, this is the starting page which you will be seeing. So let's try to directly log in with Google, which will be a better task. And directly I will be getting it with respect to my whatever the Gmail ID which is being logged in into that corresponding account. But the only disadvantage which we will be facing whenever we are directly logging in with the Gmail account is here, if you can see this tools and simulators, only one tool we can be only accessing this Aldec Rivera Pro. All the remaining simulators we will not be able to access. All these three commercial simulators and commercial synthesizers we cannot access, and all the remaining things we will be able to access them. So generally I prefer either the iCaras Verilog or directly on my system, or Aldec Rivera Pro, which is a free one. But if we are having an official account, whenever we are trying for some very higher codes, very big codes or UVM related codes and all, Synopsys VCS and Siemens Questa and Cadence Exilium will be really helpful for us in identifying the location of that corresponding error in the when compared with this Aldec Rivera Pro. But everything for learning purpose, every simulator is really important for us. So we will be going on with this Aldec Rivera Pro. So this will be the only thing which we will be using. So here we can see our list of playgrounds, whatever the different codes and all which we have been using. Okay. So generally, as I have been using this account since so long, I may be having a few codes already existing in this, but you people should be seeing it as an empty. So if you are still having any doubts, please do ping in the comment section below. Thank you.